places I remember all my life, and some have changed, some forever and for better, and some have gone, and some remain. All these places and their moments with lovers and friends, I still can recall. Some were dead and some are living in my life. I love them all. All these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you, and these memories lose their meaning when I think of love, there's something new. Though I know I never ever lose affection for people and things that went before. I know now when I am take about them in my life. I love you.